What's up, credit family? It's your boy, Mr. Credit Banking, and I am back again with another quick tip video. In today's video, we're going to discuss how to improve your Navy Federal Credit Union internal score. As you guys know, your internal score is a combination of your TransUnion FICO score and your relationship with Navy Federal. I know you guys have seen on YouTube before, people with credit scores, people who have bad credit scores, high 500s, low 600s, and they're still getting high limit credit cards from Navy Federal. It's because of that relationship that they have with Navy Federal. If you have a good relationship and a low FICO score, you can still get a high limit credit card from Navy Federal. So when you apply for credit and you get that letter from Navy Federal with your internal score, on the second page where you find the internal score, on the bottom of that second page is the last box on there. It has some information. If you read through it, it can help you improve your internal credit score. So like on mine, it lists like 5 things. It talks about, and I'll put up the those 5 things on the screen so you guys can see it. I'm kind of just briefly kind of go over it. They talk about the balance of my Navy Federal account, the months of my oldest mortgage trade line, how long it's been open, the number of payments in the last year, no retail accounts reported, and the number of inquiries on my credit bureau report. So those are the things that they said that adversely affected my credit score. And I can see how those things adversely affected my credit score. And I'll just touch on the number 5, and that one probably one of the big things that adversely affected my credit score. Because I think at the time when I applied for the card that I received at that time, is that I had like 7 inquiries. So I can see how that is probably one of the big things that negatively affected my internal score. But overall, I think my internal score is pretty good. Out of 400, I think it goes up to like 400 or 450 points. I have a 3 or 5 at the time of when I applied for that particular credit card. So my score is relatively good. And I also think the positive things that I had a relationship with Navy Federal. So I think that helped me out a lot to get the credit card and get that overall good credit score. So guys, that's all I have for today. If you like the content that I gave today, please like, subscribe, leave a comment below. Mr. Credit Banking out. Peace.